Oh, wow.
Since 2020, Tech for Good has brought you amazing stories of innovation from all corners of the globe.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, there we go.
Now, we're catching up with some of our former guests to see how far they've come, like brothers Cameron and Bryce Jones in Canada. We first featured their startup Flash Forest in 2021. Their mission? To restore forests affected by wildfires using drone technology.
The drone firing devices, all of this is being developed from scratch, and it means that there is no shortage of challenges.
Back then, the tech would drop seed pods onto the ground to speed up the replanting process. Cut to today, their drones are bigger, their pods are smaller, and their tech is more advanced.
Cameron, it is really nice to see you. Flash Forest has changed a lot since we first profiled the company. Tell me how it's changed over the years.
Everything from how we plant, what we plant, to where we plant. At a high level, the pods that we're using, we used to take 3 months to produce 30,000. We do 3 million of those pods a day. The drones that are planting carry 10,000 pods per flight as opposed to 1,000. Our drones are probably 6 times the size. So we're really trying to automate, all aspects of reforestation, from the planting to the monitoring and to making sure it's a healthy forest.
And Flash Forest has also been using lidar sensors and machine learning. So just how important is AI for your stated objectives?
Absolutely indispensable. We've incorporated machine learning and AI heavily into our business for helping us to select the sites that are going to be planted and coming up with the right prescriptions for them, to also being able to help us monitor forests and assess how are they responding after they've been planted and if an intervention is required.
To date, Flash Forest says it's planted 3 million trees across Canada and the US. Now using a new firing method that buries the seed pods into the soil. The team's next goal, to plant 1 billion trees by the early 2030s.
After we have these massive wildfires, a lot of these forests are shrinking. They're not regenerating like they used to, and so we need to be able to plant at such a big footprint to make sure that these forests don't shrink, don't convert to grassland, and we then lose those carbon stocks, but we intervene quickly and get them.
Ultimately, this is all about what you and your brother are doing, your entire team. What do you want to achieve with Flash Forest?
My ambition is that this helps inspire other people to go and run with their own environmental initiative. Other people using tech for good, because people that look at our story and say, well, I'm inspired to go and try to do something myself for nature, that's a win.
In the face of the climate crisis, forests are being lost across the globe at an alarming rate. But some of the brightest minds are turning to tech innovation to try to bring them back to life.